Andre, ito. Andre, ito.
I think we all agreed about that, you know, there was things on their part. And, you know, we're all sitting down at that point to just, you know, get a result and then move forward. So, we're just, basically,